So it's 19 degrees plus wind. I have to check one car in person. I'll show you in a second, because you have to run them for at least 20 minutes because 5.4 liter Ford F150 makes some noise after they warmed up. So gotta check before you buy. So this is the F150, has 121,000 miles, 2004 step side FX4. Usually I check the bed rails. They're in good shape, they're not that bad. The frame is in good shape. It's pretty solid. Now let me show you one more thing. There is a Dodge Ram, the older one, 2001 with 40,000 miles. Look, 40,000 miles is crazy. It is a rust bucket. I'll show you why. Look. Damn, it's bad. Let me show you underneath. So this one definitely, if it would be zero rust truck, maybe I would consider, you know, low miles. I checked the Carfax, it is original miles. Yeah, this one is 155,000 miles. So here is the interior. FX4. I like this body style. This is 2004 the first year of this generation. Yeah, sometimes I buy car on scene, and a lot of times we buy nationwide, and of course you cannot see them in person. But this one I wanted to check it because it has low miles for the year, 121,000, and we'll see if it's even possible to get bid on it. So here is the interior, extended cab. This is the Civic I just showed you, or I'm gonna show you. So it has some exhaust leak. I wanna see if it's really exhaust leak, or sometimes they do have manifold, exhaust manifold. It could be that one. Because of this part, it's gonna be like probably $700 to replace one side. Because the bolts, those bolts get snapped and broken, and it's a pain to replace them. And otherwise you're not gonna pass inspection. Looks like this side. This out. 2012, 140,000. Some minor stuff. I was gonna look at it, but I just found out that it's not 4x4. It's two-wheel drive. Usually 4x4 has some switches here. So this indicates that it is two-wheel drive, which is not desirable. F150 in Northeast area. Yeah, but it looks good. Wide, lifted. Here is a Land Cruiser 2001. Needs paint job. I think this is the one of the best Land Cruisers. Massachusetts means check underneath. It's not bad. This one was replaced. Let's start it. Oops, that. Since we are a booster, we're gonna start it anyway. The seats, yeah, needs some work. One of the best boosters. Let's start this baby boy. Okay. Don't push gas all the way, but because it's cold, some people just push it all the way and it's crazy. Be gentle with cars. I've seen some people doing up to 6-7 RPMs when they started, and plus it's cold. Sounds good. 4.7. Okay. Freezing. Got new tires. The frame is not that bad. It's actually good for this year and for Massachusetts, because we buy a lot of cars from that area. Some of them are rusty, some of them are good. Guys, have you ever seen fake Aston Martin? I'll show you in a second. Aston Martin with Chevy Z emblem. Damn, someone spent a lot of time on this. I don't know what this is about. Let's see if I can open this door. So basically it was built on Chevy Malibu. Someone spent a lot of time, hours. At least he gained experience. Some experience. Yeah, let me show you the 650 horsepower engine with 550 torque. Okay, here you go. Look what we have here. GT3. I don't want to show his license plate.